May Allah bless our motherland, created in the name of Islam.
फिजा मेरा तखय्युल है तो शीरी है सुखन
With
ऐ
glories and
मेरे
success for
प्यारे
prosperity of all citizens, grand splendor and progress among all nations of the world.
दिल अफरोज बहारों का तरो ताजा चमन
Adorning smiles on each and every face, establishing a society of justice and equality, where peace prevails tranquility, rights rendered with respect, entertained with education to transform individuals into humans, build minds with acceptance of opinions, eradicating fake clashes, to appreciate honest efforts, empowering true spirit.
समझूंगा ठिकाने लगा सरमाया तन
May Allah enable us to govern a society with values, spreading universal brotherhood.
ऐ मेरे प्यारे वतन